Hello everyone and good morning, welcome back yet again to another daily update video. I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right into the chart. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can see yesterday we swept this low right here at $59,000. Bitcoin did a bullish swing failure pattern of the low, and right now we are up from yesterday until now around 4.7%. We swept off this liquidity cluster that has been sitting below us that I have been talking about ever since price made this high. I have been talking about this liquidity right here and this liquidity right here, and we just swept this liquidity completely. So right now price is recovering, as you can see clearly right here. During this drop on the downside, you can see open interest went up, CVD went down. This means a lot of short positions opened up right here at the bottom, and right now they are forced to close their positions and exit out, which basically means they are trapped shorts right here. And right now Bitcoin could potentially, if we continue trading above this VWAP right here, we could basically still see some higher price action potentially today, since we also do have some news, but we'll cover this a bit later. And as you can see, we could sweep this high right here in the coming next hours or days. But right now you can see this daily order block is still holding us. If we look at it on the weekly time frame, with the next weekly candle open, which could be either very bearish or very bullish, we could basically be in the face of the bear market where we were last time before bottoming out. So I'm talking about, let me just get there. Basically right here, you can see after the sharp drop, we had a sideways down range. So basically we could be very well finding ourselves right now after such a move in this particular range, and Bitcoin could form this range right here before bottoming out around September to October, and then we start our next bull rally. This is what I am expecting to actually happen. And as it looks like right now, we could also get another very sharp move towards the downside. Of course, this is not out of the question. History does not have to repeat itself exactly the same. We could also get a move like this one again to the downside before we actually make this range, and then we start the next rally. It is also possible for that to happen. Stock market yesterday had a absolutely crazy recovery. You can see it right here. The Nasdaq, the S&P 500, they recovered pretty sharply, especially Nasdaq bounced from the bottom and is up around 3.2%, which is absolutely insane. And this is particularly one of the reasons why Bitcoin started pumping like this. You can see Solana, Hype, Ethereum, everything is up right now. It is up like 6.3% from the bottom yesterday, which is absolutely insane. The dollar is still high. You can see it almost hit our target yesterday. On the weekly, I do believe, yeah, it is struggling at the yearly pivot, but still the dollar is sitting strong at this point, and there is no reason for Bitcoin to have like a massive pump towards the upside. Stock market is out of the question. Basically, it looks like we are in a heavy uptrend. It does not care about the dollar right now, but it will, in my opinion, eventually have that big correction like we did here and the other previous drops for the stock market. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance right now. The Bitcoin dominance is consolidating right now after the sharp drop. The altcoins are still struggling, of course, except Hype. But let's see. Spot ETFs, we've got massive outflow yesterday during the drop. You can see right here the bigger institutions, they sold off quite a lot of their spot ETFs holdings. with BlackRock in the lead of around 239 million, and overall we have 469 million of bearish spot ETFs. So they sold off quite a bit, almost $500 million. Long versus shorts ratio for the day is, of course, everybody is still short. Those are trapped shorts right here, and soon they will be forced to close out before, in my opinion, the next leg down occurs. So watch out for that. And of course, the important news today are the PC data coming out today. So watch out for this news. It did not already let me know it is today, so watch out for those news. Tomorrow we also got inflation data, so today and tomorrow could very well turn Bitcoin go sharply to the upside and then potentially reject yet again to the downside, so be wary of that. And I do believe this would cover it for today, guys. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.